today from Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil, College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. And today I am going to discuss about the classes inequalities. The classes inequalities is related to the entropy in the thermodynamics. You can understand the entropy according to the classes. The classes inequalities is nothing but it is a cyclic integrations of the dq over the t is less than equals to the 0. कंडीशंस अलग अलग है. रिवर्सिबल के केस में क्या होगा, इरिवर्सिबल के केस में क्या होगा, और ऐसी कौन सी पॉसिबल साइकिल नहीं है जिसमें आप कंडीशंस को यूज नहीं कर सकते. नाउ लुक इट हियर. अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लासेस इनइक्वालिटीज, द साइक्लिक इंटीग्रेशंस ऑफ dq over the t, this one is the cyclic integrations of the dq over the t is only less than equals to 0. First condition is here, when cyclic integrations of the dq over the t is less than equals to 0. Second condition is here, the cyclic integrations of the dq over the t is equals to 0. And third condition, cyclic integrations of the dq over the t is greater than 0. But according to the classes inequalities, only less than or equals to 0. The condition number 1 is cyclic integrations of the dq over the t, that means ratio of the heat transfer to the temperature ratio. ठीक, अगर ये लेस देन हो गया तो कंडीशन इज दैट द साइकिल इज अ इरिवर्सिबल साइकिल. A cycle is a irreversible cycle. Now condition number 2 is here, when the cyclic integrations of the dq over the t is equals to 0. अगर ये conditions equals to 0 मिल जाए, and this cycle is known as a reversible cycle. This cycle is known as a reversible cycle. And condition number 3 not satisfy the classes inequalities, because only cyclic integrations of the dq over the t is only less than or equals to 0. May be reversible, may be irreversible. And this type of the cycle is a impossible cycle. ऐसी कोई भी हम साइकिल बना नहीं सकते. This type of the cycle is a impossible cycle. Now look at here, the first conditions for the reversible cycle. First condition is a reversible cycle. When the cycle is reversible, you can write the cyclic integrations of the dq over the t is equals to the 0. Condition number 1 here, reversible cycle केस में पहले देख लेते हैं, फिर irreversible हम देख लेंगे. Now look at here, this is an engine, this one is a, here temperature is a T1 and here temperature is a T2, and some amount of the work will be produced. This engine like this one is the engine, and Q1 is a heat supply and Q2 is a heat rejection to the system. Look at here, you can write the cyclic integrations of the dq over the t in this diagram. This one is a dq over the t of the cyclic integrations is equals to Q1 over the T1 plus Q2 over the T2, like this. Now the Q1 is a heat supply to the system. Q1 is a heat supply to the system, may be taken as a positive side, and Q2 is equals to heat rejections to the system. Q2 is equals to the heat rejections to the system is taken as a negative side, like this. Now you can write the cyclic integrations of the dq over the t is equals to Q1 over the T1 minus Q2 over the T2, like this. Now from the reversible cycle you can write it from the temperature scale. Q1 over the T1 is equals to Q2 over the T2. Now from the equations number 1, put the value Q1 over the T1 or Q2 over the T2. Put this in the equations. From the equation number 1, cyclic integrations of the dq over the t is equals to Q1 over the T1 means Q2 over the T2, minus of this one is a Q2 over the T2. That means this and this will be cancel out, and the cyclic integrations of dq over the t is equals to the 0 for the only reversible cycle. You can prove like this. Now, condition number 2 is the cyclic integrations of the dq over the t is less than equals to 0. Condition number 2 for the irreversible cycle. Irreversible cycle. Look at here. This is the same temperature limit. We have two cycles. First one is a reversible and second one is a irreversible cycle, like this. Now, here temperature is a T1 and here temperature is a T2. यहाँ पे जो इंजन 1 है उसको बोल रहे हैं हम रिवर्सिबल और ये जो है वो irreversible. Now, here heat is supplied Q1 and here heat is rejected to the system is Q2. Here same amount of the heat will be supplied for the irreversible, but the जो work produce करेगा irreversible as compared to the this is a work and this one is also work. Work done V1 और this is the work done V2. यहाँ पे जो Q आएगा वो कुछ डिफरेंस आएगा. डिफरेंस कैसे आएगा? क्योंकि जो वर्क प्रोड्यूस करता है हमारा रिवर्सिबल साइकिल में वो इज ग्रेटर देन एज कंपेयर टू द इरिवर्सिबल साइकिल. दैट मीन्स लुक इट हियर, अगर हमने यहाँ पे 100 यूनिट हीट की सप्लाई की और यहाँ पे भी हमने 100 यूनिट हीट की सप्लाई की, ये जो वर्क देगा वो कुछ 50 देगा और ये जो वर्क देगा कुछ 40 देगा. मीन्स द वर्क produced in the reversible cycle is greater than as compared to the irreversible cycle. That means the heat rejection in the irreversible cycle is greater than as compared to the reversible cycle. ये अगर यहाँ 40 दे दिया उसने वर्क, ये 60 बचेगा और यहाँ पे अगर 50 दे दिया तो ये 50 बचेगा. Means अगर रिवर्सिबल साइकिल की अगर बात करोगे तो जो हीट रिजेक्शंस होगा वो लेस देन होगा as compared to the heat rejections of the irreversible. Look at here, the cyclic integrations of the dq over the t is equal to, you can write from the equations q1 over the t1 plus q2 dot over the t2, like this. In the irreversible cycle, here you can write the q1 over the t1, again q2 dot is the heat rejections. This is the q2 dot. q2 dot is a heat rejections, means this plus sign is converted into the negative sign. You can write the q1 over the t1 is equal to q2 over the t2. Means यहाँ पे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं q1 और t1 की जगह पे. You can write the cyclic integrations of dq over the t is equal to the q2 over the t2 minus of q2 dot over the t2, like this. And you can write the same way q2 minus q2 dot over the t2. But you can find the heat rejections Q2 or Q2 dot. The Q2 dot may be greater than the, look at here, Q2 ज़्यादा होगा as compared to the Q2 से. Q2 dot is greater than as compared to the Q2. Now you can write like this, dq over the t is less than equals to less than 2, because this value is less than and this value is greater than. You can write like this. Now third condition is impossible cycle. तो यहाँ पे देखिए, अगर impossible cycle को समझना है तो ये कोई इंजन है आपका. अगर इसने this one is a temperature T1 and this one is a temperature T2, heat supply Q1 and heat rejection to the system is Q2 and work will be produced. But अगर हमने यहाँ पे 800 यूनिट हीट की सप्लाई की और यहाँ पे आपको 1200 मिल जाए, ऐसा कभी हो सकता है? It is not possible. So the third process is an impossible cycle because dq over the t is greater than equals to 0 हो जाएगा, उससे ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, इसलिए ये साइकिल जो है वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. This is an impossible cycle. This is the whole concept of the classes inequalities for the reversible and irreversible cycle and impossible.